Hi everyone, welcome to Sage's Garage. It is almost spring. I'm very excited. We have a couple weeks until it is officially spring and the weather is starting to warming up and I am getting so eager and so excited to pull the Triumph out of the garage and take it for a spin. I still have a lot of practice to do to get confident and comfortable driving stick, and I really want to be really good with driving this car before it's actually summer, and I want to really just make the most out of it this summer, but I know there's also a lot of work that we still need to do to it, so the sooner we can get it out and about and driving around, the sooner we can get to work. So a couple days ago, we came out here, we plugged in the battery so it could start charging, and we also pumped up the low tire because there's one that really is leaky and it likes to flatten on us. But she should be ready to go. It hasn't been started up since I think maybe December or January. Maybe November, December, I don't remember, but a while ago now. It has not been started up. So the first thing is we're gonna see if it even wants to start, which hopefully it will, but knowing me, knowing this car, knowing this channel, things never go the way we planned them the first try. So let's give it a shot and see if we can even turn it on. I started off with pumping up my very flat tire. I definitely got to figure that out soon, but pumped it up and then also noticed that I am missing a little light on the side. My muffler is very rusty, but not as bad as my Beetle. Oh my goodness, the Beetle one is so bad. And then I really struggled to get this e-brake down. I don't know what it is, but with this car, I just cannot with the e-brake. But again, the Beetle's worse. E-brake doesn't even work. So yeah, we wanted to make sure that we charged up the battery overnight because it hadn't been charged in a while, and we wanted to make sure that we actually had a good shot of it turning on the next day. And here's a nice shot of the engine bay in case you somehow forgot what it looked like. I definitely will not ever be able to forget what this engine bay looks like. It is a burned image into my brain, I think, from all the years of rebuilding it. But hey, look at her go. She's beautiful now compared to the beginning. But yeah, charged up the battery and ta-da. Oh, that's it not working. Ta-da. Plugging it in, charging it, and then ta-da. And now it is the next morning, which is actually today from what you're seeing from the point of view of this video, I think. Okay, we're gonna see if it'll turn on. So I'm going clutch. I'm going key. Where's the key go? It goes here. Okay. Choke. Holy moly. Oh wait, all the way? Yep. Okay. I'm so scared. Neutral? Brake, foot on the clutch. Brake? Okay. Oh, I still can't reach them. Okay. I'm so scared.
Hold it for like...
Loud! Okay. Woo! So we were just kind of going through and doing some checks to make sure all the lights work before we took it back out on the road. And then we noticed something interesting that we've not ever seen before and we don't think has ever happened before. So you tell me what you think is going on and what I should do. I'm guessing it's just like rusted out in a spot and that's why, you know, the exhaust is coming out of somewhere that it's not supposed to be. But you guys let me know if this is something you've seen before. And yeah, very strange, but it looks like spooky Halloween vibes, which I love. Halloween's my favorite, if you didn't know. So, I mean, hey, it looks like a really cool dry ice machine or something. It's going higher. The bed?
Yeah. Push it in all the way.
I'm scared.
Thank you.
Oh, I was scared. It was so loud.
Oh.
It's gonna die. No. It always does.
No.
No? That's actually...
So change the fuel pump.
1,000.
We just... Ah! It is so cold outside. We're in the Beetle. It is not giving spring summer vibes like I was hoping for. We're gonna go fill up a little jug of gas because the Triumph is fully out of gas, and we're not gonna practice our driving on the way to the gas station and then probably run out of gas. So we're gonna go get some gas first, then we can practice our driving. Let's go. Oh, it sounds quiet then for the Triumph. Okay. Gas is in the car. It's freezing, so I got a warmer jacket. You can hear the wind. It's crazy. We're just gonna try and stay in the driveway and just get the hang of things again. Clutch is in, key is in. You break down? Start it. Clutch. Choke. All the way. Okay. Choke is out. Foot is on the clutch. Key is in. Starting. Okay. You break down. You break it down. Okay. Off the clutch. Off the clutch. Okay. What do I do now? Put the choke down?
I'd wait, give it a second. If like it's warm, I'd still give it a second.
How's the gas saying now? Oh.
The gauge is probably screwed.
Guys, my gauge. Well, it's up a little. Do you think that's how much we put in it? Show it?
No, it was there.
Okay, so we put that gas in. You guys saw almost a full, it was like 5 liters, I think we put in. So it's probably broken unless that's just 5 liters worth, but I don't know. We'll figure that out. And then this one isn't working either, but maybe that's just what it is. I don't know. We'll look into that. Okay. Choke's going in all the way.
Slowly.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna clutch and go to first.
Yes.
Clutch and go to first. I'm off the brake. I'm on the clutch. I'm gonna feather the gas and the clutch. More gas. I never do enough gas because I get scared. Okay, now I'm off the clutch all the way and I'm on the gas. And now I'm scared. So what do I do now? Brake?
Shift in a second?
No, we're not at 300 yet. Okay, I'm clutching and I'm braking. Getting cheers from the window. Okay, what do I do? I'm scared. Okay, so what do I do now? Because
What do you want to do?
Well, how many
Wanna put it in
RPM was I
reverse?
at? Okay, I'm gonna go into.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, I'm gonna go reverse. Okay, let's see. That was reverse.
Yeah.
How do I slow down? Oh, I have to brake. I'm clutching and I should let off the clutch, right? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm stalling.
Yeah, you're gonna stall out. You're gonna stall out.
Oh, I'll show you clutch in all the way? Okay, clutch in.
You were dropping a lot of RPM.
Okay. What do I do?
You're riding the clutch though.
Oh, I don't love there's all this condensation underneath these gauges. Let me know if you've dealt with that before and what I should do. Okay, we're gonna take it onto the road and see what we can do. So I'm going clutch, I'm going brake, I'm going e-brake down, I'm turning it on. Did it work? Okay, it worked. Couldn't tell. Okay, I'm gonna go first, and off the brake, and I'm on the gas, and I'm off the clutch all the way. Now I'm gonna go clutch, second gear, and now that's not second gear. Now we're in second gear. I'm gonna signal. I'm gonna brake a little bit. I'm gonna turn, give it some gas. A wide turn, that's okay. Now I'm gonna go clutch to third. Gas, we're chilling, nobody. Give it a little more gas. Clutch to fourth. Now on the gas. Okay, I got my switches down good. Like they're smooth, I think. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to do a 3-point turn up here after bridge because I don't want to deal with the intersection. But we're doing it. We're driving the car. Okay, this is not that stressful. I feel like I didn't close my door properly again. Oh well. Okay. Big bump. Oh. Bump. I'm gonna let off a little, and then I'm gonna go clutch to third, and then I'm gonna hit some gas. Okay, so just like a little jolt there, so my RPMs were matched that well. And then I'm gonna slow it down a little more, and I'm gonna be under 2,000, and then I'm gonna go clutch, and I'm gonna go in. Yeah, third to second is the worst. Yeah, big jolt. Third to second sucks. But now we're going a little crazy, so I'm gonna go past this person's driveway. I guess I should have done it before. I'm giving it like too much in second. I should be in third, but I'm letting out. I'm going to first. Oh, and I almost stalled it. And then is this guy going nowhere? Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna brake on the clutch. Okay. Now I'm in neutral. Reverse. Now I'm gonna roll down this hill a little bit. Oh! Okay. And this power steering is worse than the Beetle. Okay, is that enough to go forward? Okay, now I'm gonna go to first. It might be reverse.
Turn it first.
What?
You have to turn the wheel all the way first.
What do you mean? You can't turn while you're not driving.
Okay. Yep. It's up there. Turn the wheel a bunch.
Are you allowed to do that? I thought you weren't allowed to turn when you were driving. That's my driving instructor told me. Oh, I just twisted something in my...
Okay, gas it, gas it, gas it, gas it, gas it.
I am.
Okay.
Okay. We did a 3-point turn. We survived. Oh, now there's 4 cars at the intersection. That's crazy timing. Oh, someone's coming down this road.
Shift.
Okay, that's okay. I can do this. I can do this. There's only 2 people behind me right now. It's fine. I am going to turn toward the driveway, so I don't know the best course of action for the driveway.
They can pass you if they need to.
Woo! Scared. Okay. I'm gonna down to the third. Let's see. Okay, a little jolt.
That's pretty
I think
good.
this is how it's gonna be. And then what should I do? Go into second? No, I gotta brake. What do I do?
Turn.
I'm stuck. I'm just gonna turn, but I'm in neutral.
Turn in. Get it into gear.
Okay, I'm in first. Okay, I only have 2 cars to hit. That's fine. Okay, I'm braking here. Neutral. Reverse. Stalled.
Yep.
Since that was filmed, the weather has gotten so much nicer. As you can see, it is practically summer. I am so excited, and that means that the car is gonna get to actually be driven, and I'm very excited for that. But the most important thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that next weekend is the very first car show of the year in Ancaster, and I am gonna be there. But not only me, my car, the Spitfire, is gonna be there. I'm very excited to announce that we're gonna drive it up, and hopefully this year it makes it to a ton of shows, but for sure we're gonna be there in Ancaster on Sunday, so I hope to see you all. And that is kind of where I'm gonna leave this video. We are gonna spend the rest of the week prepping. We're gonna do an oil change. We're gonna do whatever needs to be done to make sure the car is good to drive that distance. But now that the engine has been broken in and we've been driving it a good bit, it is in pretty good shape, and I'm super excited about that. So I will see you all on Sunday, and I will see you next time I post a video. Bye.